They say it's whale sperm. They say it's whale sperm. They say it's whale sperm.
It's definitely not whale sperm.
That's an interesting one.
So, what's causing this onshore bubble bath? And is it safe?
And then they just come washing up onto the beach.
Surf photographer Ted is lucky to have seen this phenomenon a few times.
It's dynamic, it's moving, it's like this living organism. There can be areas where there's foam but no ocean underneath it. The cars driving into the foam, oh my God, it's like going to the abyss because it was obviously quite dangerous for the cars.
Oh, there's a car!
So this was in Monterey Bay. A lot of birds ended up showing up on the beach and dying.
The birds were covered in yellow-green slime.
They took some samples and they determined it was not petroleum products. It turned out that it's something we'd never seen before.
It was sea foam.
So this foam, it turns out it's a relatively small molecular weight protein that has surfactant properties. And so literally it's damping down the feather.
The protein was being released by a nearby plankton bloom.
It destroys the waterproofing of the bird feather. They were freezing to death because normally the feathers keep that cold seawater from touching their skin.